So, Somasari, are you ready to narrate your daily routine?
Yes, ma'am.
So, go on.
Good afternoon, ma'am. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak my daily routine. I I get up on 6 a.m. I get up at 6 a.m. After that, I go to the washroom and brush my teeth. After brushing my teeth, I get ready. I take my breakfast and get ready for school. After ready for school, I go to the school. After reaching school, I attend my assembly classes. After that, I go to my classes to after that I go to my classes for 1/2 hour.
I go to my class to take class for 1.5 hours. Good.
After taking two two pairs, the lunch break bell rings. I take my lunch for 15 minutes. After lunch, after lunch break, the two more classes, the two more classes I attend. After two more classes, the school bell rings and I come to the home. After reaching home with my father, I go to the bedroom and watch TV for 1 hour. After watching TV, I go to the bathroom to bath. After bathing, I take lunch with my family members. After taking lunch, I take a nap. After that, I do my homeworks for 1 hour. After doing my homeworks, I go to the tuition at 5 o'clock. I um, After coming from tuition, I take my online class for 1 hour. After doing my online class, I do my all homework and take my dinner. After take my dinner, I go to the bed at 10 o'clock. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Very, very good. So, how was the daily routine of Somasri? All of you? Yes. You spoke your daily routine very, very Miss excellent way. Great. Good. Somasri?
Thank you,
Good.
ma'am.
Very good. Carry on, okay? Very good. Very good.